is Amber coming to you with the FRAG View, coming to you with another video review, and today we are going to get into body washes for the summer that smell so good that they double as perfumes. So if you're interested in seeing what those body washes are, just keep watching. Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left. But that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all. I hope you all are doing really well. Family, thank you so much. We are almost to 1,000 family members. Yay! Us, okay? So we're reaching that milestone, and I just wanted to just take the time before even getting there just to say thank you. Thank you so much for all the love. Thank you so much for the support. You all do not have to. I mean, it is free. And she okay. But you all do not have to, but I am so appreciative that you all do. And I've met so many beautiful family, and I love you all. Like, seriously, I see why people seriously, y'all. Y'all my ride. Okay. Y'all know how I am. Okay. I am so grateful. And new family members, thank you so much for joining. Well, let's get into it because you all know I said we have some body washes, okay, that smell so good, okay, that can double as perfume. So you don't need a perfume. You almost kind of forget that you didn't put the perfume on. And so I have some suggestions. So let's get right into it, okay? First off, if there is any House of Sillage lovers out there, okay? Maybe you're not a lover to everything, but maybe there are some things that you do love. Well, honey, they got some body washes and they got a body butter. And they had one of my favorite scents. And I had to get it because it was on a deal. Y'all know how I am. So it was on a deal. So I had to pick it up. And that is none other than Whispers of Truth. Okay. What? We have a Whispers of Truth body wash and the body butter. Okay. So, honey, that is probably one of my favorite scents from House of Sillage, right? There's a lot of them that I haven't got to dab and touch on them, but I do have, I have some cupcakes, okay? And the one that I do enjoy is this Whispers of Truth. And honey, this body wash now, when I say it is projecting, but the lather of this, I will say, is not lather. So if I was rate the lather on this, okay, to keep it 100, okay, I would give it a 5.
Because a lot of people are saying, hey, where are the bubbles?
I would meet it in the middle because to me, it's not for the lather that I was really looking for. I kind of figured it would be more of the scent profile, and that's exactly what this is, right? But it doesn't leave your body dry. But I would say if you're looking for like a base, since this ain't your base, this is the cutesy girl, okay? This is definitely for the fragrance. Now, that cupcake for Whispers of Truth is about $400 some odd, unless you catch it on a really good deal. It is very pricey. So if you were looking for maybe an affordable option, I would suggest getting the body wash, okay? So I did the body wash and I paired it with the body butter. Now, I will say, I was looking at this, and I know this is about body wash because you like, sis, why you got the body butter? Because I'm just giving you my truth, okay? Now, when I did get the body butter, I looked at it because I was like, House of Sillage. Now, do you really know what body butter is? I'm just going to tell you. I'm just going to tell you the truth. I was like, do you really know? Do you really know about some body butters? Now, I will say, I mean, you all can't see it because the bright lights, but it is definitely it's pretty thick. Okay, so if you like a thick body butter, this is not watery. This is definitely thick.
Thicker than cold peanut butter. I'm gonna let that marinate for a minute. Cold peanut butter thick as hell.
Okay, now when putting it on, it doesn't have the oil, right? It doesn't have what we used to seeing at Skin Potion. Now, it ain't touching Skin Potion with the oil. But what I will say, does it feel good and luxurious and all the things? Yes. Now, both of these products, I would say, does give me the perfume, right, scent. But it gives me more of the citrus vibe. So if you're a citrus lover, if you like Whispers of Truth, you would probably very much enjoy this, but it does pull that citrus out more. So I would say you definitely would have to love a citrus vibe, but it's good, I will say. And you know how your sis is about citrus. This is good. Highly would recommend you get this. This is definitely a combo. You do not need that beautiful cupcake, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have OGX, okay? And you all can get this. So I got this on Amazon, and this is the sea kelp, and this is the hyaluronic acid, okay? And then, I got this at Amazon. Did I say that? I think I did. And then this is the sensitive rose water, and this is the pink sea salt, and I got this one at Walmart. Honey, when I tell you, you better go run and get this at Walmart. This is amazing, okay? And it feels so good, and it's prominent, project all of the things, okay? This one, for my aquatic lovers, if you want a good old summer aquatic, kind of reminding you of like not a fruit tropical, but absolutely like on a beach, but not like the nasty water. Not like you in the ocean, but you definitely cute. This is so good. And OGX to me is very good, okay? And again, I forgot that I was like, I need a fragrance. I was smelling so good. Honey, highly would recommend. This has scrub beads, so you get a scrub and a body wash. Honey, oh so good. Highly recommend these, okay? Moving on. Next up, you all know she is definitely a native girl, okay? And the fall collection is coming. I picked that one up. Now, we'll talk about it later. We won't talk about it in this video. But these are not on the site as of yet, but if they come back around, I just want you to know about them, okay? Because Native has some good things, right? We have, I think you can still get this one though, the Sandalwood and Shea Butter. I think you can still get this one. I actually need to order another one. This is my last one. And then we have the Cashmere Rain. When this come back around, don't pass go. Don't look for nobody. Go and get this. This is amazing, projecting right there. Everything. And these are a clean brand. And when I tell you, they are loud. Okay? And this Sandalwood and Shea Butter one, and I know y'all are talking about this necessary product. Now, maybe I got the wrong one. This is the Sandalwood one that I thought that I would enjoy more. This definitely gives you spa vibes, but as far as like prominent and projecting and all the things,
It sucked, Bobby. Give it up.
I would rather get this Sandalwood and Shea Butter from Native and get a good old lather, and the lather is 10 out of 10. This is cute. She alright. I'm lying. I mean, you definitely don't need a perfume still with this, so I don't even know why this is in the video. I just wanted to. She alright. Okay, spa vibes, cool. But this is what you want. Okay, if you want that perfume, effect, like body wash, but better, hit her up. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have, I just talked about her, but this white musk. Honey, when I tell you I've been enjoying this so much, and this is from The Body Shop. This is your iris, this rose, definitely white musk, vanilla, comforting, all the things. This is amazing. This is so projecting. The lather is good. I would rate the lather about an 8 out of 10. The lather is really good, but the smell is everything. And if you have any musk fragrance, this would pair really well. And this, I can smell this after the shower. Okay, amazing. Definitely smells so good. Okay, sis, get you this. And I got mine from Amazon. Okay, moving on. Let's take it to Sol de Janeiro. Okay, so you all know we got Boom de Bright, if you all know anything about that. And now we got Beija Flor, the new one. When I tell you, okay, now I was expecting this to be more of a gel. But this is definitely like a white body wash. But the smell is so good. Both of these are very projecting and prominent. All the things that you would want. And if you're in this hot heat and you're like, I do not feel like putting on no type of perfume today, sis. These are so good for you to put on your body to substitute for the perfume. I'm just going to say it. These are amazing. And don't get the scrub and don't get the body butter. Don't get them. Because then where the perfume, what we really talking about? These are so good. If I can turn the bot, there we go. These are so good. I would highly recommend, honey. Sol de Janeiro be doing the body so right. Okay, moving on. Next up, we have Way. Honey, who hasn't heard about this? The St. Bart's. I don't even have to go into deep. If you don't have this, I don't understand. Okay. The price, ridiculous. The price is high. Okay. This is a pricey body wash. I will say. Okay, so if you're waiting for that, cool. Wait for the Sephora sale. Hopefully they still have the St. Bart smell available. But this is so good. And again, they got the scrub that pairs with this. When I tell you tropical luxury body wash, and you don't need a perfume, if you want that type of vibe, this is what you want. You want this. This is good, okay? So highly recommend you get the St. Bart's luxury tropical and be on your beach or your vacation and just do it up with your boo. Ooh, after you take your shower I'm on my own business. I ain't gonna say nothing else, okay? Moving on. Next up, we have one of my favorite gourmand body wash. So where is if you want to smell like a cookie cake, yeah, you heard me, frosting, okay? And you can get this at Ulta. This is the Ulta line, honey. This body wash, and it's a 3-in-1. You can use it for body wash, bubble bath, and shampoo. Now, I'm not using this for no shampoo. Never, not ever. But the smell, you talk about a cake. This is cake. Okay, I would highly recommend, and even there's several different scents from Ulta that have the body wash. Try them all. Okay, I've been enjoying them, but this is my favorite is the frosting. Highly would recommend. They have a body butter too. You got to like straight up cake. Okay, cake. Okay, that's what this is. Okay. Moving on. Last but certainly not least, my recommendation for a body wash for the summer that smell so good they double as a perfume is Bath and Body Works. Now, I'm going to say this into the night. There are a lot of Bath and Body Works scents and flares and all the things, right? And there might be a lot of different opinions about this, but I'm going to say this. Into the Night, classic, and she can stand alone. And she's sexy and projecting and prominent in the lather. I would say a 9 out of 10, you know? The lasting on this. You don't need the perfume. This is so good every time. I'm going out at night and I am, hanging out, date night, whatever that look like. This is the homie. This is sis. That deep. She is so good and sexy and just amazing, okay? So highly recommend, okay, you get the Into the Night body wash. I love their moisturizing body wash. If you know anything about this channel, tell them. I know. My family will tell you. If I don't get nothing else from Bath & Body Works, I'm getting their moisturizing body wash. Forget the gel. Those that like the gel, cool. It just doesn't work on my body, okay? This is amazing. I love this fragrance, okay? Highly recommend you get your hands on this, okay? Moving on. Now, that's all. That is all, family. I know some of y'all, let me tell the girls like, you ain't had no Dove, sis. You ain't had no olive oil. Like, what you doing? You know what I'm saying? You got to have the olive oil and the Dove.
Hey, dog. Hey, man. Hey, tell him I ain't got it, man. See, tell him.
Y'all, none of them work for my skin. Like, it's not going to be on this video because I don't use it. And it breaks me out, unfortunately.
Burns us.
But if that is on your list and there are some projecting and prominent body washes that you're like, I forget I have a perfume, or that I did put a perfume on, let us know in the comment section. I would love to know your favorites, okay? So don't think, don't think Dove and olive oil is good. They probably are. I just can't experience them and have decent skin, okay? Well, that is all, family. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure that you are good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough to, yo, sis just did. Bye, family. I love you. Bye.